Hi guys, it's Gia from GIA&AVA, and today, slime's really in right now in my school, so I bought two different slimes that are completely opposite from each other. One is super hard to pull and doesn't come apart that easily. One of them and the other can come apart easily. These are definitely two different ones. This is like putty. This one's like slime. This one's way stickier. This one's way harder. This one's way lighter. So they're completely opposite from each other. And I'm just going to do a challenge to see which one is more personal for me that I like. So let's get started. I don't know why I did that. So, let me just get a sip real quick. This is just organic coconut water. Probably won't find organic coconut water in the Illinois, but pretty cool. So let's start off with the most soft, the most lightest, fluffiest. This was way fluffier and nice, but like I don't really like fluffy. I mean, other people like you might be watching like fluffy slime, but I like this. I like this type of slime. Well, it's not really slime, because I can make things out of it because it's super cool. And then like you could just push it up back into a bowl, but it's actually hard to do that. Next, to the most balanced. I would say this one is more balanced because this one is way too hard and heavy. This one's light, soft, and again fluffy, which I don't like really. And remember, this is a personal test of which one I like more. Personal. It's not like your choice or the world's choice. I already think I know which one's winning, but I'm not telling you until the end. Oh. And now the third and final test. Is which one's more active? This one's way more active because you can make things out of it. You can make a spiral, and then you can unspiral it. This one, like, I'm trying to make a spiral it. Not that well. So, I know who the winner is. You probably aren't gonna agree with me though. But the winner is, you probably will not agree with me. The one in my right hand. This guy's the winner. He's more accurate, he weighs more, and you can make fun figurative things out of it. Really like it. Sorry, you gotta go. But this one, you get to stay for the ride. You can use this. Oh, let's see if it bounces. That'd be a great idea. Ready, set, bounce. It does bounce. Let's see if this one bounces. I think it jiggles on the ground. Let me let you see the ground. Yeah, it jiggles. try to eat. No, I'm not gonna put this in my mouth. Ew, that'd be disgusting. And so, I hope, wait, let me get into the right position so you can see me. And that's under my bed. I got some things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And this is only my second video out of a whole new account. So, I really like it if you guys could support me on it. It would be great. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. And please subscribe and like this video if you want to see more videos like this. Bye. Peace out.